So again, as we kind of looked at in the unboxing, you can rotate this. If this is to the back, this bracket area is to the back, then this kind of goes in, but when you rotate it, it pushes it up, so it makes it very stable. So that's going to work with the contours of this console. So on the back here, what you want to do is you want to locate the PlayStation symbols. I don't know if you can see that here, but I don't think you can actually. The symbols are right here. It's about this wide where the symbols are. It's on the inside of the white area here. You want to locate those, and you want to snap this on that area on the console itself. So now this is going to meet with the contours of the console, as you can see. So it doesn't really latch on. I mean, it's friction based, so you kind of push it on, and there you go. And then you put it down like this, and there is no wobble to this at all. So that's how the base looks when it's in the horizontal orientation. Fortunately for my setup, I don't think I'm going to have to do that. So let's turn this way. We're going to make sure that the bracket part is in the back, where this is loose here, and turn this over. Now there's a screw in here that you want to pull out. Then, if you remember to the beginning part of the video, there is a little plastic piece in here that you want to remove. So now that I have that, I want to put this little peg in this hole here. There we go, for safekeeping. Now this hole is where the screw is going to go through, right there. So I got my screwdriver here. You could probably use a coin or maybe your fingernail. Let's first get all the dust off of here, and then put this on the back. So it lines up very nicely here. And I think I'll just put it on its top. There we go. On the fins, be very careful with that. And put the screw in here and screw it down. You have these 3 rubberized strips on the bottom here, which will give it a grip. There we go. The vertical stand is on, and there we go. The way it looks the best, in my opinion, is in a vertical orientation.